adorable little girl here that you're watching is named Poppy. Poppy is a 2-year-old, yes, if you can believe it, full-grown cat. She is 4.5 pounds, and she is what's called a munchkin cat. Munchkin cats have short little legs, short little tails, and only grow to about 7 pounds. We believe she's full-grown. She's very cute, very sweet. As you can see, she's only been at the shelter 24 hours, and somebody left her outside. Her owner moved out and literally left her outside in the backyard. A good Samaritan fed her for 2 weeks and, of course, wanted to bring her in so we can give her a better life. So she'll be spayed before she leaves the shelter. We recommend you read up a little bit on the Munchkin breed because they are a little bit unique and different. But Poppy is a very sweet cat who really deserves a brand new world, a brand new beginning with someone who will love her and take good care of her. As you can see, look how cute she is. She's friendly. She's getting to know everybody here. Again, only 24 hours, 2 years old. She is a Munchkin cat, and oh my God, how could you not want to come in and meet this little bundle? She is adorable, sweet, and deserving of a great home. So if you're looking for a different kind of cat, something sweet and unique, read up a little bit about the Munchkin breed and come on in and meet this girl Poppy. It'll be worth it. Good girl. Look at that. Cute little package.
I was gonna say,
cute little baby.
Little feet sticking in the air.
Look at that. She's just too cute. Okay, Poppy, we'll get you a good home. Good girl. Good girl.